Let me ask you something. When you look back at 2025, do you see the person you promised yourself you'd become? Or do you see someone who kept saying, "I'll start tomorrow," until the entire year disappeared? Most people right now are getting ready to make the same New Year promises they made last January. They'll say this time it's different. They'll feel motivated for about 2 weeks. Then by February, they're right back where they started. Same habits, same excuses, same life. But you're not here for another fake restart. You're here because something inside you knows you're capable of more. You're tired of being the person who talks about change, but never actually changes. And that feeling, that frustration with yourself, that's exactly what you need to fuel a real comeback. A comeback doesn't happen because the calendar flips to a new year. It happens because you finally decide that staying the same hurts more than the work it takes to change. So, if you're serious about coming back stronger in 2026, here's exactly what you need to do. Stop spreading yourself thin across 10 different goals. Pick the one thing that matters most. The one area of your life that, if you transformed it, everything else would improve. Your fitness, your discipline, your focus. Whatever it is, choose one target and pour everything into it for the next 90 days. One obsession, one mission. That's how real transformation happens. Your environment is controlling you more than you realize. The apps on your phone, the people you follow, the state of your room, all of it is either pushing you forward or holding you back. So clean it up. Delete the apps that waste your time. Unfollow accounts that make you feel stuck. Make your space so focused that failing becomes harder than succeeding. Don't wait for motivation to show up. It won't. Tomorrow morning, prove to yourself that you're different now. Do one workout. Study for one focused hour. Keep one small promise to yourself. You're building evidence that you're not all talk anymore. That's what changes everything. Not big plans. Small proof that you can actually follow through. Your brain is going to resist. It's going to tell you to ease into it, to start next week when you're more prepared, to give yourself a break because you deserve it. That voice has been lying to you all year. It's not protecting you. It's keeping you exactly where you don't want to be. So when you hear it, do the opposite of what it says. Track every single day you show up. Write it down. Mark it off. Watch the streak build. Because when you can see your progress, when you have visual proof that you're different now, quitting becomes almost impossible. Your past doesn't define you. Your consistency does. Here's the truth. Most people watching this won't do anything with it. They'll feel motivated for 10 minutes and then go right back to their old patterns. But some of you are different. Some of you are tired enough of your own excuses to actually move. And if that's you, then your comeback starts right now, not January 1st, right now. Comment, "I'm coming back," if you're serious. Subscribe if you want to actually transform, instead of just thinking about it. Let's make 2026 the year everything changed.